Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set a timer on Snapchat. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat, and then as you can see here on the right side of my screen, there's a flash button, there's note, there's moon. So if you want to add a timer, just click on that plus sign and then just click this timer, click add, and then if you want to adjust your timer, just click on it. Then here, as you can see, then if you, for example, you want 3 seconds, then click set timer, and then if you want to try it, just click on capture. Then here, as you can see, there's a timer. Okay, set. And I hope video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.